This 2016 Prime Time Crusader 315 RST is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Prime Time Crusader 315 RST is 9,999 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.